What do you do when a place you used to like to go to a lot no longer has your favorite item on the menu anymore? So today I am going to attempt to make smothered burritos, which Taco Bell also has. I have beans and meat left over. I put enchilada sauce down in the pan. I use onions, green onions, cheese, Mexican rice, and I put this all in the tortilla, and then I go ahead and fold it. The beans I like to use is Rosarita, and then the ground beef, I just go ahead and use some taco seasoning. After you fold it, you go ahead and put it into the pan. You can put a little more enchilada sauce on it, and then you put your cheese and green onions on it. So these are my smothered burritos that Taco Bell does not carry anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven to melt the cheese. Whether you're watching on your smart device or your computer, please, on the bottom, please leave a comment. It really helps out our channel. Thank you. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. Set the oven to 350 degrees and put them in for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my smothered burritos out of the oven here. Ooh, look at that. Just put a little bit of sour cream on top of that. Yum. And that's the other thing about making this at home. You don't have to be skimpy on the sour cream. You don't have to pay extra for it. There you go. Make it and eat all of this. Leftovers, maybe. Well, they don't have it at Taco Bell anymore. You make it at home. Tastes just as good. This is Jedi's for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.